U.S. Air Force new F-22 Super Raptor is coming. The F-22 Raptor was the first fifth-generation fighter in the U.S. Air Force inventory, using low observable technologies, modern avionics, and efficient engines to offer an air superiority fighter unmatched by any other modern military. In this video, we'll deep dive into the specifications for the F-22 Raptor. The F-22 Raptor is an essential part of the Global Strike Task Force and is designed to project air dominance quickly and at great distances and destroy enemy air defenses. Stay till the end, as we'll discuss how the Air Force will make big changes to the F-22 Raptor. A combination of sensor capability, integrated avionics, situational awareness, and weapons provides first kill opportunity against threats. The F-22 Raptor possesses an organized sensor suite that allows the pilot to track, identify, shoot, and kill air-to-air threats before being detected. Significant advances in cockpit design and sensor fusion improve the pilot's situational awareness. The Raptor carries 6 AIM-120 AMRAAMs and 2 AIM-9 Sidewinders in the air-to-air configuration. The F-22 can attack surface targets, and in the air-to-ground configuration, the aircraft can carry 2 1,000-pound GBU-32 Joint Direct Attack munitions internally, and will use onboard avionics for navigation and weapons delivery support. It is expected in future upgrades that the air-to-ground capability will be enhanced with the addition of upgraded radar and up to 8 small-diameter bombs. It will also carry 2 AIM-120s and 2 AIM-9s in the air-to-ground configuration. The stealthy F-22 has engines that produce more thrust than any current fighter engine. The blend of sleek aerodynamic design and increased thrust allows the F-22 to cruise at supersonic speeds, which is greater than 1.5 Mach, without using an afterburner, which is otherwise referred to as Super Cruise. Do you guys know that Super Cruise provides F-22 with a better speed and range as compared to other fighters? Exceptional aero design, advanced flight controls and thrust vectoring, and high thrust-to-weight ratio of the Raptor provides it the capability to outmaneuver all current and projected aircraft. The F-22 Raptor design has been extensively tested and refined aerodynamically during the development process. These characteristics of the F-22 ensure the lethality against modern air threats. The combination of stealth, integrated avionics, and Super Cruise allows it to outperform surface-to-air missiles and minimizes enemy capabilities to track and engage the F-22. Moreover, the combination of reduced observability and Super Cruise of the F-22 is an element of surprise in a tactical environment. The exports of the F-22 are banned under U.S. federal law to protect its stealth technology and classified features. The international customers for U.S. fighters are acquiring earlier designs, such as the F-15 Eagle and F-16 Fighting Falcon, or the newer F-35 Lightning II, including the technology from the F-22, but were designed to be cheaper, more flexible, and available for export. Congress upheld the ban on foreign F-22 sales in September 2006, and despite the ban, the 2010 Defense Authorization Bill included provisions requiring the Department of Defense to report on the costs and feasibility of an F-22 export variant, and another report on the consequences of F-22 export sales on the U.S. aerospace industry. The politicians and defense ministers of Australia proposed to purchase F-22s instead of the planned F-35s, citing the F-22's known capabilities and F-35's delays and developmental uncertainties. However, the Royal Australian Air Force, or RAAF, later claimed that the F-22 can't perform the F-35 strike and close air support roles. The Japanese government also showed interest in the F-22 for its replacement fighter program. The Japan Air Self-Defense Force, or JASDF, would have bought fewer fighters for its mission if it obtained the F-22, thus reducing engineering and staffing costs. In 2009, Japan would have to increase its defense budget beyond the historical 1% of its GDP if it acquired F-22 Raptors. With the end of F-22 production, Japan chose the F-35 in December of 2011. Israel also expressed interest, but due to F-22's price and unavailability, they chose the F-35. On September 22, 2014, F-22s were used in combat by conducting some of the opening strikes of the Operation Inherent Resolve, the American-led intervention in Syria. The F-22 aircraft dropped 1,000-pound GPS-guided bombs on Islamic State targets near Tishrin Dam. The F-22s flew over Syria between September 2014 and July 2015 and dropped 270 bombs at around 60 locations. Throughout their deployment, F-22s conducted close air support, or CAS, and also deterred Syrian, Iranian, and Russian aircraft from attacking U.S.-backed Kurdish forces and disrupting U.S. operations in the region. Additionally, F-22s were used in the U.S. strikes on pro-government forces in eastern Syria on February 7, 2018. And in these strikes, F-22's main role in the operation was gathering intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance. In November 2017, F-22s operating alongside B-52s bombed opium production and storage facilities in Taliban-controlled regions of Afghanistan. If you have reached this far in the video, we would like to thank you. Be sure to subscribe to enjoy more content like this. The U.S. Department of Defense wants to upgrade the U.S. Air Force's F-22 Raptor fleet, which will be the stealth fighter's most significant enhancement ever. Lockheed Martin Corp., Fort Worth, Texas, has been awarded a $10,863 million indefinite delivery, indefinite quantity contract for Advanced Raptor Enhancement and Sustainment, or ARES, for the F-22 Program Office. A Department of Defense contract award announcement reads, "This contract vehicle provides support for the necessary supplies and services to sustain and modernize the F-22 Raptor, including modernization hardware kit procurement and services such as upgrades, enhancements, and fixes, as well as performance-based logistics services." Lockheed has not yet confirmed the type of upgrades they would integrate into the F-22. However, improvements to the Raptor's stealth coating and digital interface upgrades are expected. These upgrades are expected to take a decade to complete and fully implement, considering everything goes according to the plan. The Department of Defense expects work to be finished by October 31, 2031. Air Force Deputy Chief of Staff for Strategy, Integration, and Requirements, Lieutenant General Clinton Hinote, explained in an interview with Defense News that the F-22 Raptor is essentially a bridge platform until the Air Force fields the next-generation air dominance platform. Though the F-22 is considered the world's best fighter jet, it might be superseded shortly by sixth-generation aircraft, some of which have reportedly already flown. America's flying branch will have to rely on the Raptors until the wider sixth-generation fighter rolls out. Do you guys think that the F-22 will upgrade to the sixth-generation fighter in the future? Do watch our other video on a similar topic, U.S. attack helicopters deployed to Poland as a response to war in Ukraine 2022.